Hey guys, so today I'm gonna be making, or I guess DIYing, the MuFang Shanghai cube. Now, I'm guessing this is gonna be pretty easy. Okay, it has a really nice core here. I don't know how to properly tension cubes, but it should not be that hard. I have all the springs, all the screws, very nice. And I also have sticker sets, which is nice. Oh, can we get that back? Bring out, thank you. Alright, brilliant. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to put this together. First of all, the caps seem to go on like this. Albeit very weirdly. Alright, brilliant. So I just gotta put these together. You know, the design of these is really familiar because the cubes like the ocean water also have the corners where you can take off a piece similarly to that. So that's very interesting. So, yes, let's go ahead and keep moving with these pieces. And that, I believe, is all the corners done. So, very nice. Alright, so guys, the screws do not fit into the core. I actually got it in. Alright, so that's one done. Alright, so apparently you actually have to force the screws in, which kind of sucks, but it's really tedious and it's so annoying. But it is not the worst thing ever. Finally got the fifth one. Finally! Oh my god, we got all the pieces in. And here's the MuFang. Oh my god, it popped immediately. Alright, so this puzzle pops a lot. Oh my god. Alright. This side is also very loose. Right now, at least it is. And I do believe we have ourselves a MuFang. Not the best cube, but definitely not the worst. I'm gonna have to sticker this up now. Alright guys, I'm an idiot. So you're supposed to actually... Okay. I understand now. Okay. Yeah, I was an idiot. I did not understand how to do that. Now I do. Alright. Second to last face is finished. Anyway, guys, I have completed this. Make sure to check out the unboxing video of all of these cubes. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.